Rebekah Vardy could be set to cash in on the phrase Wagatha Christie after trademarking the now iconic saying. The television star successfully trademarked the phrase following her High Court libel showdown against Colleen Rooney, which played out last year. During the case, both Wags went head-to-head in the High Court after Rooney accused Vardy's Instagram account of leaking private stories, which she vehemently denied. However, the judge later parted with Colleen Rooney and ruled that Vardy's account was liable for several stories making it into British tabloids. Mrs. Justice Stein said that it was likely that Rebekah's former agent undertook the direct act of leaking stories to The Sun. Now, Rebekah, 41, is making the most of people creating the phrase after Colleen's sting operation after applying for the trademark license 8 months ago under the company, London Limited Incorporated Limited. Now, should anybody wish to use the phrase on a commercial basis, Rebekah will need to approve it and can also receive a fee for usage. In documents obtained by the Mirror, her trademark covers everything from clothing, non-alcoholic beverages, broadcasting, education and beauty. Speaking to The Sun, a source said, "This trademark is Becky's two fingers to Colleen and all the misery associated with Wagatha Christie. Becky is shrewd and knew people would try to cash in on the phrase." The source went on to explain that Vardy would consider expanding the trademark out of the UK if this was required. They added, or if someone wanted to use the phrase to promote a documentary or a film, they would have to ask to use it as they would be exploiting the phrase for monetary gain. It is a legal grey area in some respects, however, and will be done on a case-by-case basis. Following the verdict, it was suggested that Rebekah wouldn't appeal the judge's ruling after Mrs. Justice Stein concluded that significant parts of Vardy's evidence were not credible. In a statement, Vardy said, "I am extremely sad and disappointed at the decision that the judge has reached. It is not the result that I had expected, nor believe was just. I brought this action to vindicate my reputation and am devastated by the judge's finding." A source went on to claim that she was extremely frustrated with lawyers and that hell would freeze over before she found herself back in a courtroom over the case. The Mirror approached Rebekah's spokesperson for comment.
To us.